This Carote 16-piece titanium nonstick cookware set is a premium kitchen collection designed to elevate your cooking experience. With a combination of durability, performance, and style, this set ensures that every meal is prepared efficiently, safely, and beautifully. Whether you are an aspiring chef, a busy parent, or a home cook who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, Carote delivers cookware that meets your needs for consistency, versatility, and convenience. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Constructed with reinforced die-cast aluminum, this cookware set is built to last. The titanium nonstick coating enhances durability and provides an ultra-smooth surface for effortless food release, reducing the need for excessive oil and making cleanup quick and easy. The coating is free from PFOA and PFOS, ensuring a safer cooking experience for you and your family. No more worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your meals or food sticking stubbornly to the pan point. One of the most impressive features of the Carote cookware set is its ability to distribute heat evenly. Each pot and pan heats quickly and maintains consistent temperatures, eliminating hot spots and preventing burning or uneven cooking. Whether you are boiling, simmering, frying, or reheating leftovers, you can trust that your food will cook perfectly every time. This reliability is ideal for weeknight meals, meal prepping, and even special occasions. The set includes 8-inch and 9.5-inch frying pans, a 2.5-quart saucepan with lid, a 5-quart sauté pan with lid, a 5-quart stockpot with lid, a slotted turner, a ladle, and 5 pan protectors. This comprehensive assortment ensures that you have all the essential tools to cook a variety of dishes, from simple breakfasts to elaborate dinners. Each lid is made from high-quality silicone that creates a tight seal, locking in flavors and heat for more efficient cooking. Beyond performance, the Carote cookware set is designed with practicality in mind. Its smooth titanium coating resists stains and odors, keeping your kitchen cleaner and more hygienic. The included pan protectors prevent scratches and maintain the nonstick surface even when storing the pan stacked. Ergonomic handles ensure comfort and safety during use, making it easy to maneuver even large, heavy pots full of food. Why Carote stands out. Many nonstick cookware sets promise performance, but fail to deliver long-term durability or safe cooking surfaces. Carote addresses these issues with reinforced die-cast aluminum construction, a titanium nonstick coating free from harmful chemicals, and ergonomic design features. Unlike traditional Teflon-coated pans that wear down quickly, this set provides scratch-resistant surfaces that maintain their smooth performance over time. The combination of pans, lids, and utensils ensures that your kitchen is fully equipped for all your culinary tasks. Practical applications: weeknight cooking, quickly fry eggs, sauté vegetables, or simmer sauces without worrying about sticking or uneven heat. Family meals. The larger 5-quart sauté pan and stockpot accommodate hearty dishes for gatherings or meal prepping for the week. Healthy cooking. Less oil is needed due to the nonstick surface, supporting low-fat, nutritious meals for the entire household. Easy cleanup. Simply wipe or rinse after use. The nonstick coating ensures minimal residue, saving time in the kitchen. Meal presentation. Use the silicone-lidded pots and pans to serve directly from stove to table, maintaining heat and aesthetics. Tips for best use. Preheat gradually to maintain the longevity of the titanium coating. Avoid metal utensils. Use silicone, wooden, or plastic tools to preserve the nonstick surface. Stack pans with included protectors to prevent scratches and maintain performance. Final thoughts. The Carote 16-piece Titanium Nonstick Cookware Set is an ideal investment for anyone who values durability, safety, and convenience in their kitchen. Its toxin-free ceramic coating, even heat distribution, and comprehensive selection of cookware pieces make it an excellent choice for both everyday cooking and special occasions. Whether you are preparing breakfast, dinner, or elaborate meals for guests, this set ensures consistent, delicious results with minimal effort. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and upgrade your cooking experience today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.